Hello guys, today I show you how to paint the puppy with Autodesk Sketchbook step by step. We use this template photo of our dog Charlie. We start with the rough sketch. For this we use the technical pen. Take your time, try to adjust the proportions right. I usually start the picture in the center and sketch around. I'm not a professional artist myself. I have never attended an art school, so I can't give you many tips for this. I have always tried around by myself. Find certain reference points. Help yourself with guidelines. If you practice a lot, one day you will have the vision for it. Of course, the sketch does not have to be perfect. You can still change a lot. Finished. Little details, but we don't need them here. Next, we create a new layer. Take the inking pen and choose a creamy ochre color. We mark the area we want to assign the color. Then we fill the area with the filling tool. The tolerance should be high. And take care that sample 1 layer is activated. We do this now several times until all areas are filled with the colors. This has the advantage that these areas are separated from each others, so you can work more efficiently. Make sure that the order of the layers are correct. The sketching layer is always on the top. Now the basic structure is ready for the details. We reduce the visibility of the sketch layer and choose the snout layer. Next, we need the tattoo inker. With the pipette you choose this color and make it darker. As you see on the template picture, I'm drawing along the darker parts, coarse strokes. Then also with the tattoo inker we fill the snout with coarse hair. Use lighter and darker colors to get a realistic look. With the smudge web brush you can now slightly blend the whole thing. Now we can paint the detailed hair with the synthetic coarse Angular brush too. Choose the different colors with the pipette. Use lighter and darker colors to get a realistic look. And make curly movements. With the inking pen we paint the nose. On the tip I make a bluish shimmer. With the smudge web brush you can easily blend this. Now with the tattoo inker and the small brush size you can create more detailed hair. The snout and the nose of the dog are one of the important parts of the dog. with the flow airbrush we shade some areas. Great, the snout is ready so far. Now we repeat the whole thing on the other areas, but with less details. First rough hair. Then a little of blending. Then the detailed hair with the synthetic coarse angular brush too. And make sure you always work on the right layer. With the flow airbrush you can set accents with shadows. So the legs and the head are in better validity. Now we come to my favorite part, the eyes. Make sure that we can see the white of the eyeball. The reflective point on the eyes creates a realistic effect. And in the end, with the flow airbrush, I shade a little bit more. And with the glow brush, I make his eyes and his nose shine. Finished! I hope I could help you. Goodbye.